Today, we're diving into a topic that's both intriguing and delicate. The proven tricks that can instantly turn younger women on, specifically tailored for the older gentlemen out there. We'll navigate through the nuances of what really captures the attention and desire of younger women, and how you, as an older man, can embody these qualities authentically. Also, stay tuned for a special bonus tip at the end of the video. It's the cherry on top of all these insights, offering a pivotal piece of advice that beautifully ties everything together. 1. Cultural savvy. Understanding the cultural pulse of younger generations is key in establishing genuine connections. Why is this important? Let's check out why staying culturally informed matters. Being culturally savvy is not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about bridging the generational gap by showing interest and understanding in the world that surrounds younger women. This involves keeping up with current trends, music, social issues, and even technological advancements. It shows that you're engaged with the world they inhabit and are open to learning and growing, not stuck in your ways. However, it's crucial to approach this with authenticity. Younger women can easily distinguish between genuine interest and someone trying to be hip for the wrong reasons. Engage in conversations about contemporary topics, ask questions, and show a willingness to understand her perspective. This isn't about adopting every trend or mimicking their lifestyle, but about showing respect and curiosity for what matters to them. Remember, cultural savvy is not just about impressing, it's about connecting. By showing that you value and respect her world, you lay a foundation for a relationship built on mutual understanding and shared experiences. It's a subtle yet powerful way to showcase that you're interested in her as a person, not just as a partner. 2. Fitness and health. Maintaining a fit and healthy lifestyle is more than just looking good. It's about feeling good and showing that you care about yourself. So why does this matter in the context of attracting younger women? Let's explore this further. A fit and healthy lifestyle is a strong indicator of self-respect and discipline. It shows that you're not just cruising along in life, but are actively working to improve yourself. This doesn't mean you need to be a gym fanatic or have a chiseled physique. It's about showing that you care for your body through regular exercise, eating well, and maintaining a balanced lifestyle. This dedication is attractive as it reflects a level of responsibility and self-care that many find appealing. Moreover, a healthy lifestyle can be infectious. It can inspire and motivate those around you, including younger women. It opens up opportunities for shared activities like hiking, cycling, or cooking healthy meals together. These shared experiences can lead to deeper connections. Remember, it's not about impressing someone with your fitness level or dietary choices. It's about displaying that you value yourself and are interested in maintaining your health and vitality. This approach is not only good for your well-being, but also makes you more attractive, as it shows you're invested in living your life to the fullest. 3. Tech awareness. In a world increasingly driven by technology, being tech-savvy is not just a bonus, it's essential. But why is this particularly important when trying to connect with younger women? Let's dive in and understand. Being tech-aware means more than just knowing how to send an email or make a video call. It's about understanding the digital landscape that younger generations navigate daily. This includes being familiar with the latest social media platforms, understanding trending online cultures, and even knowing about the newest gadgets and apps. Why does this matter? It shows that you're not only keeping up with the times, but are also curious and adaptable, traits that are universally appealing. However, tech awareness is not about overwhelming yourself with every new trend or gadget. It's about finding a balance and showing that you're open to learning and engaging with the digital world. It can be as simple as asking her to introduce you to a new app she likes or sharing your experiences with technology over the years. Remember, being tech-aware helps in bridging the generational divide. It's a way to share experiences and interests, making connections that are relevant and relatable. I trust you're finding value in this video. If so, why not spread a little love? Hitting that like button, dropping a comment, or subscribing goes a long way. Thank you. 4. Adventure and spontaneity. It's about bringing excitement and unexpected joy into life. But why does this resonate so well, especially with younger women? Time to take a closer look. Adventure and spontaneity are about breaking from routine and embracing the unexpected. It's not necessarily about extreme sports or impromptu trips across the globe, though those can be fun. It's more about adopting an adventurous spirit in everyday life. This might mean trying out a new hobby, exploring a part of town you've never been to, or even sampling a cuisine you've never tried before. The key is to be open to new experiences and willing to step out of your comfort zone. Why does this matter? Because it shows you're not just living, but you're alive. It shows that age is just a number and that you're capable of enjoying and discovering life just as much, if not more, than anyone younger. This energy and zest for life are infectious and attractive. It communicates that you're fun to be around and that life with you will never be dull. Remember, adventure and spontaneity are about the spirit you bring to your daily life. It's about making the ordinary extraordinary and sharing these moments. 5. Intellectual curiosity. Engaging the mind is as important as engaging the heart. But why is intellectual curiosity particularly appealing, especially to younger women? Intellectual curiosity is about having a keen interest in learning and understanding more about the world around us. It's not about flaunting knowledge or being a know-it-all. Instead, it's about showing a genuine desire to learn and grow, no matter your age. This could be through reading, exploring new ideas, or even engaging in thoughtful conversations about diverse topics. Why does this matter? It indicates a depth of character and an openness to new perspectives, which are both attractive qualities. Engaging in intellectual pursuits isn't just about impressing someone with your smarts. It's about sharing experiences and insights, and being open to learning from the younger generation as well. This exchange of ideas can lead to meaningful connections and show that you value her intellect as well as her personality. Remember, intellectual curiosity shows that you're interested in the world, not just in the relationship. It's a sign that you're a well-rounded individual who values both emotional and intellectual connections. 6. Sense of humor. Laughter can be a wonderful way to connect, but it's important to strike the right balance. Why is a sense of humor so crucial, especially in the context of attracting younger women? Let's take an insightful yet lighthearted look. A good sense of humor is a sign of intelligence, creativity, and a positive outlook on life. It's not about constantly cracking jokes or trying to be a comedian. Rather, it's about seeing the lighter side of life and being able to share that joy with others. Why does this matter? Because humor is a universal language of connection. It can bridge age gaps, cultural differences, and even awkward moments, creating an atmosphere of ease and comfort. However, the key is to be considerate and aware of what kind of humor is appreciated. It's about being witty and playful without being offensive or insensitive. A well-timed joke or a funny observation can be endearing, showing that you don't take yourself too seriously and that you're capable of bringing joy and laughter into her life. Remember, a sense of humor is about more than just making someone laugh. It's about showing your ability to enjoy life, cope with its ups and downs, and make the best out of every situation. This quality is incredibly attractive as it promises not just a partner, but a companion who can turn everyday moments into joyful memories. Now, for our special bonus tip, the importance of genuine interest. It's the foundation of any meaningful connection. But why is it especially significant in the context of attracting younger women? Let's dive into this with a fun and insightful perspective. Genuine interest goes beyond surface-level attraction or casual conversation. It's about showing a sincere curiosity in her life, dreams, and aspirations. This means actively listening, asking thoughtful questions, and engaging in deep, meaningful conversations. Why is this so crucial? Because it demonstrates that you value her as an individual, not just as a partner. It shows that you're interested in who she is, what she thinks, and what she aspires to be. This genuine engagement is not about agreeing with everything she says or pretending to be interested in every topic. Instead, it's about respecting her opinions, learning from her perspectives, and sharing your own experiences in a way that enriches both your lives. This level of engagement creates a connection that is far deeper and more meaningful than any superficial tactic. Remember, showing genuine interest is about building a bond based on mutual respect and understanding. It's a sign that you're not just there for a good time, but you're interested in sharing a journey of growth and discovery. Now that you know what she's really looking for, what's next for you? Discover the signs you're an attractive older man, or learn what to do when a younger woman looks at you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.